Here's how to turn on autocorrect in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. At the top right, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. By default, you'll be in the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Smart Compose and Grammar Suggestions section. To enable autocorrect, turn on Grammar Suggestions and Spelling Suggestions. These options automatically fix spelling mistakes and suggest corrections while you type emails. If you also want Gmail to help finish sentences, turn on Smart Compose. This works alongside autocorrect to make writing emails faster. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your autocorrect settings are now active. That's it. Gmail will now automatically correct spelling and grammar as you type. Subscribe for more short and useful Gmail tutorials.